I don't like losing things and I don't in most scenarios. Well, I believe there are two types of people. एक जो बहुत ही conscious है for the things they own और दूसरा who doesn't give a damn fuck. And I think I'm somewhere here. I know it's kinda weird to be in a grey area, but you know ज़्यादा weird क्या है? To have a feeling parameter for the things I lose. तो इस लिस्ट में आखिर क्या क्या है? Things like मेरे चश्मे, my keys, my wallet, my passport, not when I'm outside India, is completely fine. But things like my favorite t-shirt, my Crocs, my phone, and this camera in which I'm shooting right now is not fine. और जब भी I lose this kind of things, I lose control. It makes me angry. It makes me sad. ऐसा लगता है जैसे मेरी anxiety मेरे brain को hijack कर रही हो. And I lost one thing in my recent Dubai trip. Anyways, थोड़ा टॉपिक पे वापस आता है. What I lose is this hot shoe mount, जो मेरे कैमरा और मेरे माइक को साथ में जोड़े रखता था. And things like this is not in my list of feeling parameter. So I don't know how to react. It made me sad, but it also made me happy. क्योंकि I never liked that stupid thing. It was just a piece of plastic. Plus वो मेरे कैमरा केज में कभी properly fit ही नहीं हुआ था. तो अभी what can I do? Leave it as it is? Well, practically I can't. So buying a new clip seems like a practical solution. But wait, इंडिया में तो DJI का कोई ऑफिशियल डीलर है ही नहीं. I can still order it from US. Fuck, इतना महंगा for this piece of plastic. I guess स्टोर में थोड़ा सस्ता होगा और मेरे इतने दोस्त बाहर रहते हैं, कोई ना कोई तो लेके आ ही सकता है.
भाई एक फेवर જોઈતો તો
સુકે ભાઈ
એક વસ્તુ જોઈતી હતી. ક્યારે આવવાનો ઇન્ડિયા?
ભાઈ मैं तो भाई तू 2 महीना पहले મને कहता હમણાં તો जी बाहर जाऊंगा और से आगे
इतना तो वेट नहीं कर सकता. Now I gotta do what I gotta do. See, every Indian has one thing in common. Doesn't matter what religion they follow, what part of India they come from. It's in our DNA, and that thing is jugaad. It's a small word with a big impact, and I believe you can find jugaad for anything. What you need is a hunger plus low bank balance. So, with the right amount of hunger, I started searching for my jugaad. Okay, I found this really cool alternative for the mount, but एक ही कैच है, it requires 3D printer और मेरे पास जो प्रिंटर है वो सिर्फ पेपर पे प्रिंट कर सकता है. I guess this is the right time to get one. Not now. I have a news. Initially, I was trying to figure out कि मेरे कौन से फ्रेंड के पास 3D प्रिंटर होगा, कौन मुझे ये करके दे सकता है एंड ऑल, और कोई लीड्स नहीं मिल रही थी. It's quite uncomfortable ऐसे ऊपर देखने में. थोड़ा नीचे आ जाओ पहले. फिर कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि वो सोल्यूशन मेरे सामने ही था बट मैं देख नहीं पा रहा था. It was very simple. I googled it. Google, you can sponsor this kind of video if you want. और after spending half an hour, I found the right guy. So I talked with him और links share किए. I hope it works out. I got the print. See how tiny it is. It fits like a Lego piece. Oh my god, this is so perfect. The only thing left is to attach some magnets with it. I ordered some magnets from Amazon, so let's give it a try. Now, the moment of truth. That's it. That was the video about how I lost one thing and how did I find the alternative. And if you are still watching this video, congrats. Your attention span is more than 4 minutes. I don't want to talk about this design क्योंकि I stole this design from the YouTuber named Morley Kurt. He already made a video about this design. So in case if you wanna watch it, I'll link it down. And also, if you live in Surat or anywhere else in India, go check out this website, Minimal Pots. They are the one जिसकी वजह से ये video possible हो पाया. They make some lamps. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है अभी, but they are working on some stuff. Also, if possible, go give 5-star review to SP3D Printing. They are very nice people working on some cool stuff. Plus, they helped me. That is it for the today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.